you guys to watch this video. This video is particularly for those that wish me to stay in Nigeria for the rest of my life. This particular video is for those who said Ogechi cannot return back to the States. This particular video are for those that wishing me that Ogechi I should enter Kuje. This particular video is for those that want Ogechi to finish on this blowout. This particular video are for those who is not in my position and wish. This particular video is meant for those who are willing to risk everything they have to make sure that Ogechi enter inside problem. This particular video is for those who could not believe that Ogechi is 1 million better than them. This particular video is for those who said Ogechi is not the Okalesia and they wish to call it someone else, and the person begin to lavish and derive joy from calling him or her Okalesia. This particular video is for people who said Ogechi is not the queen, you are the original queen. This particular video are people who combine themselves to fight queen. This particular video is for those whom their husbands left behind and they wish me to divorce my husband. This particular video are for those who are miserable. This particular video are for those who are and couldn't amount to anything good and will never amount to anything good. This particular video is for those who are useless in nature and decided to force up thinking that Ogechi is their own predicament. This particular video are for those who are praying, fasting, doing midnight prayer on a woman that never looked for their trouble, but they eventually look for my trouble. But it's quite unfortunate that you met somebody that is more rugged than you. This particular video is for those who believed that Ogechi should be stoned to. This particular video are for those who wish Ogechi jungle justice. This particular video are the low esteem women. This particular video are the both single, the youth abroad single mothers that believe Ogechi is the one that checks them out of their matrimonial home. This particular video are for those the men that could not fetch for their family and think Ogechi name will give them food. This particular video are the people that gathered in one place and wishing and formulating all manner of lies that Ogechi own is gone. This particular video are for those whose lives are messed up. This particular video are for useless deportees that wish me to be in the same circle with them. Now let me shock you. Ogechi is an American citizen. Ogechi can stay in Nigeria for as long as I have no limitation to stay here. The only thing Nigeria will do if I overstay my 90 days of visa, they will only ask me to pay fine. And let me tell you, it depends on who you know. People that are willing to say, okay, don't worry, I will waive it out. You can also get a waiver if you overstayed. I can stay in Nigeria for all I cares, and agwa mangum because anywhere support system, I can walk into my little restaurant or little hotel and eat my daily bread, or I can go and look for those whether my go house rent and I will collect it to flex. I am not like you. I am not in the same frequency like you. I am not in the circle like you. So whatever you wish me, I wish you 1 million times. Okay, this particular video is for those who look for Ogechi trouble, but when I reciprocate, it become a disaster. This particular video are the people that saying that since Ogechi is no longer on Blue App, the Blue App has finally cooled down. This particular video are that Jpac, who are that forgetting to pay attention to pregnant That's Moki Beyon there. This particular video are for that fool Jpac and the youth wife that is OPK from hotel. This particular video as for those that are making video in the name of their creating content. You guys don't have no career. Your careers are used. Look at you. You can't even perform a good acting. You can't even put up a show. Let me tell you, a shower, a woman that said, my husband will open a shower. I will start my own business. This January, I will start my own business. My own business will be functioning. I am not a woman that doesn't work. Those that is in America that cleaning up. You are still at home because you have nothing to offer. A shower pick in a club in your whole life. You remain a shower. Did you remain on your condom? Did you remain on your only cake? Did you remain after condom? This particular video, I just come. I'm coming. Make una relax. But let me make sure you watch this video to the end. Those are the particularly this video as for you guys that wish Ogechi to not to come back again. That Ogechi is not acceptance. Have you forgotten when that trend started? It's no longer that Ogechi cannot go to school. It's no longer that Ogechi is not a nurse. It's no longer that Ogechi cannot afford nothing. It's no longer that now it has become another thing. This particular video, mainly this video is for you all that wish me to be deported. Now, watch the video where eyes, American eyes are chasing all of you away. I know couples of people that don't have their papers that are looking for Ogechi. They are on this blue app. A lot of women that doesn't have paper that said, Ogechi, I wish you would not come back to Nigeria. A lot of youth men are in this joblessness, hopelessness struggle of men are in this particular struggle and wishing Ogechi never to come back to the United States. But now Trump is chasing all of you away. Trump is saying that you guys are not welcome in the country where you guys are using other people's paper to work, committing, using other people's paper to work. A lot of you guys are under this misery. You see what you're wishing me has come to your doorstep. Pack your property and come down to Nigeria where you belong. My own is that I will visit anytime and go back. I have option. As it stands now, you do not have option. Pack your property and return. Guys, watch this video to the end. Ice people, Trump, my man, I love you, honey. Let them go back to where they wish others. Go back where you belong. You don't belong in the States. Go back, you men that have nothing to offer. Queen, remain the queen. Okalesia, nobody will take it away from me. Ndala. People ain't with the people ain't with the capability and not talk. You are, come on, I gave you relevancy. I brought your cadet career, your 15 minutes.